At that moment, the bank manager, a thin man with a large moustache, came out of his office. "What's going on here?" he asked in a stern voice. Bernie, completely panicked, had forgotten the password. Strawberry flambé," he shouted. The manager raised his eyebrows. "Strawberry flambé? I've never heard of it. Is this a new promotion?" Dolores, seeing the chaos, decided to take matters into her own hands. "Listen, sir," she said firmly, "we just want money and no one is going to get hurt. Now you're going to open the safe, or I'm going to press this button." She pointed to a remote control that controlled the explosives, but she had it aimed wrong and was pointing at the coffee machine. "Oh no!" the manager shouted as he ran to the coffee machine. "You can't do that. It's a fancy espresso machine." By this time, the police had arrived. Bernie, Dolores, and Kevin, who had woken up and started throwing up, were arrested. Meanwhile, the firefighters were recovering the coffee machine, which had suffered significant damage. At the police station, Bernie, waiting to be questioned, was still mumbling the password. "Banana flambé? No, strawberry flambé. Oh, I can't remember." Dolores, for her part, was smiling. "Bush, at least we had a good day. We had a good laugh, and we almost blew up a fancy coffee machine." And Kevin? He was still worried about his goldfish. And so ended the funniest and scariest bank robbery in Pleasantville. The robbers, though clumsy, had still managed to wreak havoc, and of course no one had stolen any money. They returned to prison, mulling over the failed password. Maybe they'll come back one day to try another heist. But who knows? Maybe they'll just need a few bank robbery lessons to pull off their next heist, if they remember. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.